In this short 2-minute video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to set up your Keplr digital wallet as a Chrome browser extension. Step 1. Open up your Chrome browser and navigate to Settings, Extensions, and click on the Chrome Web Store to search for the Keplr Wallet extension. Click and follow the prompts to install the Keplr Wallet extension. Once that the extension is installed on the Chrome browser, let's create the Keplr wallet that will hold your cryptocurrency.
Click. Create a new wallet to generate a recovery phrase, password, and name for your new wallet. Think of this digital wallet like a bank's safe deposit box. Your password is the everyday key, while the recovery phrase acts like a backup key the bank manager could use if you ever lost your key. In this case, if you forget your Keplr wallet password. Write down the recovery phrase on paper and follow the prompts to confirm you've securely recorded it. You'll then set a password and name for the wallet. For this demonstration on testnet, we'll show these words in the clear, but remember that in real-life usage, the recovery phrase grants anyone complete access to your digital booty. Many people secure their recovery phrase by storing the paper copy in a safe deposit box at one or more trusted banks.
Now that you have a Keplr digital wallet installed as a Chrome extension, you can connect it to websites that make use of cryptocurrency tokens. Enter your digital wallet password, and you can approve the allocation of cryptocurrency tokens for use. In this example, you can allocate your Synternet tokens on the ai.synternet.com site to leverage any and all of the latest and greatest chatbot pro models from one portal.